G'day, Enrico here with EnviroTemp, and a brief and very important message to homeowners who rely on reverse cycle heating and cooling to keep warm during the cold days and months that lie ahead. The convenience of a reverse cycle air conditioning system is second to none. Flick a switch and almost instant comfort. Well, almost, and here's why. You'll be shocked to know that the typical system loses up to 30% of its energy efficiency in the first few years. And let me be clear, this is through no fault of your own. So when you flick that switch, it's not going to be instant comfort. Your system must first run longer, so that means it's going to use up to 30% more energy before it can achieve your desired comfort level and then switch off. So how does EnviroTemp help? EnviroTemp is your one-time fix to restoring the lost efficiency. It's not like a water filter that you keep having to change over and over again. A single installation of EnviroTemp into the system will allow it to produce better hot and cold temperatures from your vents by up to 2 to 8 degrees. Now, better temperatures mean your system can achieve your desired comfort level without having to run as long. You're more comfortable and using less energy too. When you consider the value EnviroTemp provides in restoring your lost efficiency, improving your comfort, reducing energy, and that it lasts for the life of your system, it represents great value, hands down. Book your EnviroTemp in today and start enjoying better and more energy efficient comfort. That's EnviroTemp out.